Hello, I am Michael. I am 41 years old. I have more than 10 years of work experience from various industries, taking up various positions. My exposure is very diverse. I just recently ended my contract with a Danish employer as a home-based technical customer support. I started working home-based since 2017 with this company. My main tasks were on the products, specifically if they have the correct information and technical specifications in our website and also in our print and online catalogs. And for that, I was the webmaster for our two websites, one for the products and one for the spare parts. To be able to do all this, I had to immerse myself and learn about our products and our services. In short, I had to know everything there is to know about the company, its products and services. I also assisted in marketing-related tasks, from doing content for MailChimp campaigns, content for articles for publishing on our websites and social media sites. I also sometimes did the graphics work for flyers and other marketing materials. For customer support, I assisted in technical issues on products and spare parts, meaning whenever there are issues on product functions or if a client needs information on a spare part, that is when I come in. Plus, I also chase after clients from time to time for upselling. And then I assisted the IT team and the research and development team for technical inputs. Sometimes I also get special assignments direct from the CEO for research. For instance, I did a research on industrial robotics and driverless cars. And in this research, I included how these two can become flagship products for future business venture and expansion. The admin tasks were somewhat secondary because with my recent company, the setup or arrangement isn't so much about you always tailing your boss like a dog, but rather each of us ensure that we make things easy and smooth and to always keep everything moving for our CEO and that no things should be left unattended. This stint I had with this Danish company allowed me to experience and get used to working independently and being able to do multitasking at a higher level. In addition, I have years of experience working for other companies. In CFIF, this is where my admin management came to play heavily. I was the only person running the environmental management unit, and I also serve as the assistant to the environmental consultant. I mostly perform admin work such as answering phone calls, emails, manage the calendar and schedules, even do telemarketing and other related tasks. Then, we were running several trainings, so I had to juggle between admin and specialist roles. I would assist in the preparation of training materials and other logistical matters, and then I assist during the training day itself, serving as the MC and assistant. Then on other days, I do field research, doing gap analysis or audits, or search the web for topics regarding environmental matters. Then, I also manage our environmental section of our company website. My boss would also ask me to do basic accounting on the liquidation of our office's expenses. On top of that, I would assist her in the formulation of project proposal. I also once worked as a technical illustrator in a US-owned BPO company where I mostly used IsoDraw, drawing software, and a little bit of Photoshop and SolidWorks. I could go on and on because I still haven't mentioned my stint with a Japanese company as a production staff. Well, I believe I'm a good fit for the admin assistant role since I have developed the ability to multitask in my previous jobs. I consider myself mature enough to work gracefully even under high-pressure situations. I am somebody that will never be terrified to take on a new job since I am a fast learner and I like to learn new things. Most of all, I do not repeat my mistakes because I always do my best to learn from my past shortcomings. Since I have adequate experience, I expect that my talents and skills are appreciated and used to the fullest extent, and that this job should, if I get it, will create an environment wherein I will grow within the organization, and I also hope the company will be open to my contributions so that I may become a valued member of your team. Thank you.